Okay, so here we have key stage 4 keywords to learn for the particle model. The product of the mass, specific heat capacity and temperature change of a substance is its entire change in thermal energy. The changing from a vapor, so like a gas, to a liquid when a substance cools down, condensation, a bit like water on the inside of your window. The mass per unit volume of an object is its density. Density equals mass divided by volume. Okay, so it is the mass per unit volume of an object. The changing from liquid, so water, to a vapor when a substance is heated is evaporation. Some people say it's boiling as well. The change from a liquid state to a solid, so water to ice, when it's cooled, freezing. The energy stored by the atoms and molecules that make up a system, it is equal to the sum of the total kinetic, which is movement, and potential energy, which is store of the particles, is the internal energy. It's all the energy inside an object. The energy required for a substance to change state, so to go from gas to liquid, or from liquid to solid, or whichever way it may well be, is latent heat. The changing from solid, ice, to liquid, water, when it's heated, is melting. The units of pressure, it's a funny one, is pascals. Changes to the physical properties of a substance which can be reversed. So that is a bit like your ice to water. That's a physical property and it can be reversed because what you can do, you can refreeze it, is a physical change. The force acting perpendicular to a surface per unit area. So if you've then got a sealed container like that, then what you've got is you've got a force acting, that is pressure. The amount of energy needed to increase the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree C, specific heat capacity. The amount of energy needed to change the state of 1 kilogram of substance from a solid to a liquid, so think about it, solid to a liquid, while at a constant temperature, is the specific latent heat of fusion. Now this one is almost exactly the same, okay, but this is then one from a liquid to a vapor, liquid to a gas, and that is vaporization, specific latent heat of vaporization. The amount of energy needed to change the state of 1 kilogram of substance while held at a constant temperature, so it doesn't say what state of matter it is the specific latent heat. The direct changing from a substance from a solid, so if I had a lump of solid on a desk, and what it could do, it could turn straight into a gas without being a liquid, is called sublimation. Okay, right, there's lots of good keywords in there, lots of good definitions. Okay, now what you've got to do is you've got to test yourself, right? And when you're testing yourself, write down your answers onto a piece of paper. Now, what you got to do now, do it again, right? Do it again. If you got maximum marks last time, that's fantastic. Now just make sure you can do it again. Okay, well done. Just keep practicing, right? Some of those are pretty hard, right? Just keep practice. Okay, and then do it again in 2 months' time.